Welcome to English Boost TV, where you improve your English through real conversations and practical tips. In today's episode, we talk about a very common problem. You can understand English, but you can't speak fluently. Don't worry, today we will give you 8 powerful tips to unlock your English speaking skills.
David, I have a question. Why do so many people understand English but still can't speak it?
That's a great question, Emma. It happens to millions of learners. The problem is not understanding. It's speaking confidence and practice.
So what can they do to fix it?
Today, let's share 8 powerful tips. Tip 1. Think in English. First, stop translating in your head. Start thinking in English.
Even simple thoughts like I am hungry or I need coffee?
Exactly. Small thinking builds fluency.
Tip 2. Speak every day, even alone. But what if there is no one to talk to?
Then talk to yourself. Describe your day out loud.
That sounds funny, but useful.
Tip 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
So it's okay if I speak incorrectly.
Yes, speaking badly is better than not speaking at all.
Tip 4. Shadowing method. What is shadowing?
You listen to native speakers and repeat immediately.
Like copying their pronunciation?
Exactly. Tip 5. Learn useful phrases, not only words. Don't just learn single words, learn full sentences.
Like, how's it going, instead of just how?
Perfect.
Tip 6. Record your voice. I feel shy hearing my own voice.
That's normal, but it helps you improve pronunciation.
So I should listen and correct myself.
Yes. Tip 7. Start with simple English. Don't try to speak like a professor.
Keep it simple.
Yes, simple English is powerful.
Tip 8. Practice real conversations. So watching videos is not enough.
Exactly. You must practice speaking with real dialogues like this podcast.
So if I meet someone, I can say, "Hi, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you."
Perfect. Simple, clear, and confident.
David, I think many learners feel shy when speaking English.
Yes, but remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
That's really motivating.
Great job! Today you learned 8 powerful tips to improve your English speaking skills. Remember, don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking today. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. See you in the next episode.